Hello, this is a follow-up to the glass can box video. I'll link the original video in the description. I'm not sure if this is because of a recent update on Cricut, but if your score lines are looking like this, instead of where they should be like shown here, then there's a simple fix. So here we are in Cricut Design Space. Let's first upload the file. Once you have the file open, you can see that there are two subgroups within one main group. You can expand these subgroups and select the scoring layers and set them to the operation score. Then click Make. You may find that your score lines are showing up on a different mat all jumbled up. To fix this, go back to Design Space, click on the main group and select on Group so that instead of the two pieces being subgroups, they are now the two main groups. Then just select each group individually and click Attach. Now when you go and click Make, everything should be where they need to be, with the score lines attached to each of the two pieces.